Join the Roro family. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun. Do you know one thing you're thankful for today? Roro found a big orange leaf on the ground. He whispered, "Thank you, leaf, for your colors." Then he looked around, the trees, the sky, his friends. "So many things to be thankful for," he said with a smile. Being thankful makes our hearts warm.
A little leaf fell next to me, orange, yellow, bright and free. I pick it up and softly say, "Thank you, leaf, for this sunny day. Thank you everywhere, for the colors, for the air. Thank you, big or small, there is so much to love for all."
Can you guess Roro's favorite fall smell? Roro helped stir the pumpkin mix. Swirl, swirl, swirl. Cinnamon danced in the air and Roro giggled. He didn't make the perfect pie, but he tried his best. Moral: helping is more important than being perfect.
Stir it slow, stir it fast. Pumpkin spices smell at last. Cinnamon makes the kitchen glow. Mix it gently, here we go. Pie, pie, pumpkin pie. Warm and tasty, oh my, oh my. Help a little, try your best. Making pie is always the best. Ooh.
Would you share the last snack? Roro and Lila both reached for the last potato bite. Roro paused, smiled, and said, "You can have it." Lila hugged him tight. Sharing makes friendships stronger.
One last bite, what should I do? I can share it, me and you. Sharing makes my heart feel light. Kindness always feels just right. Share, share, share today. Kindness makes the brightest day. Share, share, feel the cheer. Helping friends brings us near.
What if the turkey wasn't scary at all? Roro walked in the yard and saw a big turkey. He froze, but the turkey just said, "Gobble, gobble." They both laughed loud together. New things aren't always scary. Sometimes they're funny.
Turkey walks with funny feet. Gobble sounds that beat the beat. Roro laughs and dances too. Turkey joins and shouts, "Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo!" Gobble, gobble, clap your wings. Dance around the turkey sings. Funny friends in autumn light. Laughing makes the world so bright.
What if Thanksgiving could be outside? Roro laid a blanket under a big tree. He brought apples, bread, and warm soup. His friends joined, and they all ate together. Thanksgiving is about being together, not about the food.
Blanket down beneath the tree. Warm soup, apples, time to be. Friends sit close and share a smile. Picnic love stays for a while. Picnic time, come along. Sharing food makes hearts strong. Thankful friends side by side. Joy and laughter far and wide.
Do you know 2 magic words? Thank you! Roro made tiny thank you cards for his teacher, his friends, and his mom. Each card had a heart and a smile. When he gave them out, everyone felt warm inside. Kind words are little gifts. you for watching. Get subscribed to never miss a new story.